Hey guys! Today let's talk about something super duper important: laundry. Specifically, why doing laundry in Cebu is like a crazy Olympic sport compared to doing laundry in Canada. So first things first. In Canada, doing laundry is about as exciting as watching grass grow. You press a few buttons, wait for the beep, and bam, you're done. Boring. Now let's take a trip to Cebu. Here, doing laundry is a whole body, all-day workout. It's not just washing clothes, it's a full-blown gossip fest. Imagine this, a giant basin. I mean seriously, this thing is huge, filled with soapy water. Your aunt is on one side, your neighbor's on the other, and as you scrub, everyone's gossiping like crazy. Hey, did you hear? Ailing Gloria's daughter is pregnant. Oh my, who's the father? Nobody knows yet, but Manang Cora says he's got a big nose. It's like a detective show, Cebu style. Then comes the hardest part, hanging the clothes outside. We're out here like it's a fashion show. Underwear in the back, fancy shirts in the front. But then, a dark cloud appears. It's every man for himself. The second you feel a raindrop, bam! The whole family moves faster than a cheetah. Grandma's catching socks in the air, older brothers diving for the bed sheets, and mom's running around with a hanger in her mouth like a secret agent. And if you're too slow, your clothes smell like rain and sadness. Meanwhile, back in Canada, laundry? Easy peasy. Push buttons, watch TV, done. Canadians don't even hang their clothes outside. Everything goes straight into the dryer. Whoosh, whoosh, done. The craziest part? They don't even check the weather. What? In Cebu, we're experts at reading the clouds. Looks like rain. Better not hang the white clothes. But Canadians? Rain or shine, they don't care. Imagine trying to explain this to a Cebuano grandma. Grandma, in Canada, you don't need to hang clothes. The machine dries them. Shocked face. What? No hanging clothes outside? No basins, no rushing around, no gossip. Just dry, clean clothes. But is it worth it? Where's the fun? Where's the excitement? That's why I think Cebuanos live longer. We're tougher. We don't just do laundry, we conquer it. Alright guys, like, share, and subscribe for more crazy videos. See you next time.